So yes, my name is Davinder Singh, and I'll be taking things forward now, and I will try to give you a brief, explanation about everything that we will be covering in this course. So before I give a brief introduction about myself, so my name is Davinder Singh, and I've been into this industry for IT and cybersecurity from past 10 years, where my major roles and responsibilities towards the organization as a pen tester or as a cybersecurity analyst has been performing the network security assessment, the web application security assessment, the mobile application security assessment, as well as your APIs as well. Now, I am a CEI, which is I'm a certified EC Council instructor from the EC Council governing body, where we guide you to the course of becoming a pen tester. So it's like whenever you want to, someone wants to get into cybersecurity, right? Whenever they want to create a career into it. So there are certain certifications which helps them, in order to get a better exposure, get a better, good job. So for this, again, this certifications definitely helps us. And what we do on top of that is we will try to give you all the experience, as Rida said, so all the experience of our daily practices, like suppose when you're doing a network penetration test. So I'll be explaining everything in a brief.